You know, when a customer walks into your shop with questions about their TPMS light, you could just explain why that light's on. But if you really want to build trust, you should also tell them why it matters. After all, TPMS is an active safety system, not a set and forget feature. So let's dig into how to do that next. A good professor always has a lesson plan, and you should have the same approach for TPMS service. Start with the dashboard. If the TPMS light is flashing or solid, note how long it stays on. That first impression tells you whether the system is even functioning correctly. From there, check the tires, pressures, and valve stems. A corroded stem or low tread could be the start of the customer's issue. Even temperature plays a role here, with every 10 degrees shifting pressures by about 1 psi. Once inflation is dialed in, that's when your TPMS tool goes to work. Scanning each sensor not only confirms proper pressures, but also gives you insight into the battery health. A weak battery right now means the rest are likely close to dying, and replacing all 4 sensors at once keeps the customer from coming back frustrated in a couple of weeks. Speaking of, one area customers often misunderstand is battery life. Sensors don't last forever, and most run about 7 to 9 years. That means if a vehicle around that age comes into the bay, the sensors are likely nearing the end of their life cycle. Testing while the tires are off or being replaced can help you catch issues before they start. When replacement is necessary, explain the options. OE sensors are one-for-one swaps, while programmable sensors can cover most of the market. They can technically just replace the one, but if one is about to go, the others likely aren't far behind, so in most cases, changing them all at once just makes sense. At the end of the day, TPMS service is about more than fixing a warning light. It's about educating drivers on how sensors behave, how long they last, and why they're critical to safety. When you take that approach, you're not just servicing TPMS, you're becoming the expert your customers rely on for answers. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.